Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with the finale. Downsizing Step 10. Get help if overwhelmed. Perhaps you're thinking, okay, here's the part where he starts pushing his services. Not necessarily. But in the last 9 steps, you can see just how much work has been involved, even if it has been broken down into easy steps. Perhaps you are lucky enough to have adult children, other family members, neighbors, and friends who want to help. That's great, but here's what I suggest. Clarify the ground rules from the beginning. It's important to remember that in most cases, your helpers don't want to be a nag. They just don't want to see you dawdling over a few low-value items when there are vast piles of stuff throughout the house that needs clearing and time is running out. So show them you are serious. You do know how to prioritize and you do have a plan. So to summarize what that plan is, share the following with them. You need to know your options beyond the dumpster, because not everything will be a dumpster solution. Embrace the limitations. Do the math and keep your goal in mind. Coordinate on strategy. Work out a timeline with your family, realtor, and everyone involved. Emphasize that you may not toss as much as your helpers want, but you will at least clarify the why. And they need to let you follow a regret-free process. Start with the garage. Start with the quick wins, then create exit zones for items heading out. Declutter the basement. Open up space for temporary storage and items to sell. Declutter the attic. Create space to hold items to move, but not to show. Move on to living spaces. Only once you've got space for things to go, focus on the showrooms. Consolidate keepsakes. Bring sentimental items together from throughout the house, then decide how much to keep. Home office and paper last. You need the space and the focus to work fast, so save paper for last. If you cannot get help from family and friends, there's still a great place to turn. NAPO. Check out the directory at the website of the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals to find a quality professional organizer in your area. And of course, if you need the outside help and you're in Fairfield or Westchester counties, please contact me for a free consultation. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.